we also command the adoption of the action-oriented political declaration to fight against the antimicrobial resistance earlier today. Mr. President, AMR is a global crisis causing approximately 5 million deaths annually, including 300,000 in Pakistan alone. Without action, it could be cause 10 million deaths yearly and cost 100 trillion globally by 2050. Factors contributing this crisis include evolving bacteria, substandard antimicrobial drugs, over-the-counter antibiotic access, and the misuse and overuse of pesticides and antimicrobial in the animal and plants. Mr. President, the looming health crisis threatens to reverse the progress made towards the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goal 3. Mr. President, Pakistan has taken serious measures to address this threat and to secure a healthy future for its people. Since joining the WHO Global Antimicrobial Surveillance System, GLAS, in 2012, Pakistan has implemented a national action plan focusing on the surveillance, infection control, and research. We are currently revising the plan with the multi-sectorial approach. While we are working to achieve this goal, combating AMR is a global endeavor. We cannot do it alone. As the drugs are evolving, so are the pathogens. As a developing country, Pakistan faces challenges of limited funding and access to the latest technology and research. COVID-19 pandemic had made it evident that it is only through equity, solidarity, and cooperation that we can fight these invisible and silent enemies. Mr. President.